Welcome back to another video. I'm Trevor with Agro Salons. I help hairstylists and salons generate more customers using ads. In this video, we'll be covering what to do if you're not getting any customers. Get your notepad out. Basically telling you a story about me, my own business, and when I wasn't getting customers, and some of the things that I did to combat this problem. So, first things first, you're going to need a target. You're going to need a reason why you're actually doing what you're doing. Prior to me actually getting consistent results in my business, I didn't necessarily have a target. I just wanted to make money, and when you're in that mindset of making money, that's all you focus on, and the harder you try to chase making money, the further away it actually gets from you. Figure out a target, figure out why you're doing this. That's going to be your motivation to keep doing what you're doing even when you're not making money. The first thing I noticed that I was dealing with when I wasn't making the money that I wanted to make, or making any money in my business, was I was extremely distracted. Basically, I ended up getting rid of all things that wasn't going to get me to my goals. So that included friends, family, going out, everything. If you have a specific goal in mind and you want to get there as quickly as possible, you have to be focused. So anything that's not getting you to where you're trying to get to, remove it out of your life. Plain and simple. The next thing was poor time management. One thing that I dealt with when just getting started on this journey or whatever, I would spend a lot of time just on the internet aimlessly, no purpose. One website was like WorldStar. Probably check that website 10, 20 times per day. Making the switch from spending an hour or two on WorldStar to an hour or two on YouTube actually learning something did wonders for me, my mindset, my business, etc. Figure out what you're spending your time on, and anything that you're spending your time on that's not necessarily driving you towards your goals, you want to get rid of that as well. Again, eliminate anything that's not getting you towards your goal. Time management is super important. So the next thing is lack of consistency, and this was a big one. This is one of the main things I see with new business owners just getting started out. They don't show up. I showed up every single day for 4+ years, and that's essentially how long it took me to get from zero to where currently, where maybe like 5-6 years. But I know for 4+ years I showed up every single day. I did something in my business to move it forward towards my goals. Lack of consistency is going to be a killer. So that's those of you who are posting every other day on Instagram, or every week, every month. If you can't be consistent for your business, you got to understand the people who you want to do business with, they're going to notice that. If say this person's not showing up every day, why would I give them my money? So keep that in mind as well. The next thing was doing the wrong thing. So this is really big as well. When, even if you are consistent and you're doing the wrong things in your business, that can be just as detrimental as not doing anything. Because if you're doing things that don't move the needle, meaning that are getting you towards your goal, you're just aimlessly doing things in your business that you feel you probably should be doing. But you have to sit back and figure out, what actions do I need to take in my business to actually make me some money? 9 times out of 10 is going to be making sure people are aware of you and having some type of process to get that person to know and trust you so they can give you money. So focus on doing the right things in your business that actually move the needle and get you going towards your goals. Now, I know y'all probably hear this all the time, mindset, but this is like the truest thing of them all. If you have a poor mindset, it's going to show in your business. And there's different levels or different waves that you could be on depending on where you are in your business. So focusing or working on your mindset is going to be crucial to you getting to where you're trying to get to. If you were in a point in your business where you're not making money, your mindset 9 times out of 10 is a money chaser. You're in the mindset of chasing money, so you take the actions of someone chasing money. Typical actions of the person chasing money is getting easily distracted by other opportunity. Every time you see something here or there that can make money, you're doing this. You're doing affiliate marketing, you're selling CBD, you're doing credit, you're doing this, you're doing that. If you never focus all of your efforts on that one thing that you're really actually passionate about, you're never going to get it to where you're trying to get it to. Focus on your mindset and try to get in the mindset of someone who is currently where you are. If your goal is to make $100K per month and be able to take care of your family and travel sometimes and buy nice things sometimes and invest, you need to find that person who's already doing that and mimic them. Get in their mindset, understand thought process, and transition from the mindset of someone chasing money and transition into the mindset of someone that's already doing this. If you want to make money, focus on how you can solve someone's problem. Again, this is getting out of the money chaser mindset and getting in a mindset of actually solving problems. As long as you can solve problems in business, people will pay you handsomely. So figure out what problems there is in your industry, in your niche, and figure out how you can position yourself as a problem solver. Because I'm telling you, when you're in the mode of chasing money and that's all you worry about, I promise you, your customers know who's just after money and not actually going to provide them with any type of help to their problem or any solution or anything like that, and they'll run away from you. So keep that in mind as well. If this makes sense, everything that I said, like this video. Also comment which of these actually apply to you in your current state. If you want to work with me personally, I'll leave all of my links in the description of this video to apply to work with me personally. If you're not ready to work with me personally, there's some videos that's about to pop up on this left side or whatever. Go watch them. Thanks for watching.